Okay, now question D. How many distinct real solutions X are there to the equation? This question is one of the most lenient MAT questions I've seen in a while. It's pure expansion, right? Basically, you just have to be careful with the algebra, then you get there. I mean, there's literally no thinking involved, to be honest. Yeah. So let's just do it. I mean, there's nothing interesting to explain here at all. So off we go. So I just copy the equation. It's a bit of a bookwork question in some way. So nothing too exciting. Now, first thing, of course, get rid of the squares, the outermost squares. So this will be 2 or minus 2, okay? 2 or negative 2. Just be careful, make sure you include all solutions, yeah? Okay, now I add 3 to the other side. So I have x squared minus 1 squared minus 2, this thing all squared equals to 5 or 1. So you see, I'm deliberately going slower than usual, just to make sure that algebra is bang on. So x squared minus 1 or squared minus 2 equals to square root of 5 plus or minus 1, of course. Yeah, and if I move it, the 2 there. So of course, if you're smart enough, you could just manage through these things quickly. You don't have to go step by step like I am. Okay, so now we take square roots here, and we're going to be slightly careful because, of course, 2 minus root 5 is a negative number. Okay, so we can't, of course, we're in the real world right now, so we can't take square root of that. Okay, so we're going to be ultra careful. So x squared minus 1 equals to 2 plus root 5 only. Okay, only 2 plus root 5 is going to generate solutions. Okay, and you have to square root that, of course, and plus or minus as usual, and you have plus or minus square root of 3. Plus or minus square root of 1, which is just 1. Yeah, and then we add 1 to the other side. So x squared equals to 1 plus or minus square root of 2 plus root 5, 1 plus or minus root 3. And then, of course, we have 2 and 0. Yeah, 1 plus 1 and 1 minus 1. Okay, now last step, same idea. Okay, negative numbers, you can't take the square root. So basically, you only have plus or minus square root 1 plus, careful, yeah, only the positive version of it. Same idea with the 1 minus root 3, that doesn't work, so plus or minus 1 plus root 3 only, plus or minus root 2, and 0. Okay, so let's count the solutions. 2 of them here, 2 of them here, 2 of them here, and 1 here. So in total, I've got 7 solutions. Okay, so again, this question is pretty straightforward. It's just a bookwork algebra question. So I have 7 real solutions. There we go.